What's up, you guys? I'm Alex and we're back with another one. So all week long people have been sending me pictures of this. So we're about to make that right now. And we're gonna make that out of my scrap wood. Since we have to plane down boards to an inch wide, any board that's over an inch thick will do. So we're gonna make that out of these right now, real quick.
God bless these hands when you made me. God bless these hands when you made me. God bless these hands. Blessed Carpenter Co.
Alright, after quickly removing the nails, we're just gonna plane these down to 1 inch. Probably help if I plug it in. Safety first. Okay, we're gonna start with the frame here. I'm gonna start with the legs, the piece that's gonna hold the bench, and the part that's gonna hold the tabletop. What we're gonna do is, now that we have all of our 1 inch pieces, I'm not sure how wide this thing's gonna be, so I'm not sure how much of a tabletop or bench pieces we're gonna use, but for our legs, we're gonna need 4 5-inch pieces cut at our miter station, 2 10 3/4 inch sticks, and 2 5.5-inch sticks. And we're going to see what that does right now. And I'm going to take those over there right now. And on the 4 5-inch pieces, I'm going to put a 22.5-inch bevel on it. So that way the legs sit at a V. I'll show you here in a second. So we're going to head over to the miter station. Now we want 2 10 3/4. Our 2 5.5. Now for our legs over here. What the heck? Where's our other leg? Oh, right here. For our legs over here, we want to put them on a 22.5 inch slab to the corner. I'll put this on this side so you guys can see what I'm doing actually. Oh dang, I gotta back you guys up. The camera's too close. My miter saw won't go down. Okay, when I assemble this, I am going to be using brad nails and glue. So I'm going to put these guys together, add a dab of glue. Oh, once I clear the glue dabber. Oh, might help if I attach my brad nailer. So I'm going to be using these 1/2-inch brad nails. Okay, now the next thing we're going to want is the 10 3/4 inch across the bottom. And to do this one, we're going to measure up from the bottom a 1/2 inch. So we're going to measure up a 1/2 inch from the bottom. You know what? We're even going to go an inch. Put this on the 1 inch mark. like so. Alright, we're going to do that one more time. That's what it's looking like on the inside. We're going to build another A-frame, like so. Add a dab of glue across the top. I want those two touching like so. And then I'm going to put this right across the top. Lined up level with our 22.5s. We're going to mark up 1 inch from the bottom. Alright, now that we got these like this, let's do, well, I guess it's up to us how long we want these, huh? What looks like a good depth to you guys? It's gonna be hanging off a tree. I say about 9 inches. You guys say about 9 inches? I think 9 inches looks good. 9 inches. So we're gonna cut a bunch of strips at the miter station at 9 inches. I'm thinking 2 on each side. So 2, 4, and then 4 across the top. So we'll do 8 strips at 9 inches. Alright, so we got 8 pieces right here. And let's see what these 8 do. I guess let's just put glue on it. Put it on this mug and snap it down, I guess. Oh, that's not going to work like that, huh? I got to do them out a little bit like that. Alright, we got 2 on there. Let's see how the other ones fit. Looking like we could probably fit another one on there, huh? Yep, we're gonna do another one on there. Like so. Alright. All right, that's our table. Now, to attach this guy to the tree, we need to make a mount to attach it to the tree. If you really wanted to pretty it up, you could. There we have it, guys. The picnic table for squirrels. I really like this thing a lot. I'm definitely making one for my house right now. And I'm going to be selling these for $20, $25 a piece all day. It took us about 30 minutes to make it. So, and that was figuring out how to make it. I'm going to be cranking these mugs out in like 15 minutes now. I can't, my miter station's too big to use the stop block to, I could put something in front of the stop block, a block in front of the stop block, and crank these little cuts out on my miter station. But yeah, I think it came out really great, you guys. So, see you guys next time. Peace.